Oh, Gracie, what are you eating? Are you eating Cheerios? Num nums. Look, are you eating Cheerios? What happened? Look at that grown-up girl. Good job. You're getting milk all over yourself, but it doesn't matter. That's excellent. You still working on it, Lukey? Good breakfast? Num nums? Num num nums?